So the battery is relatively new. It's a year and a half. I'm not sure if I have to change it every year.
No, definitely
I've seen
not.
that online, but I wasn't sure how to use it. I
Yeah?
said maybe it won't work with me.
Yeah, it
I
works.
don't know if I have to recharge it or not, and then will be.
Yeah, you have to recharge it. I keep it on charge most of the time in the van because I use it a lot. But
Oh, so people call you a lot.
yeah, I advertise for this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So
So
let's
it was
see.
a new battery a year and a half ago. So yeah, that's because of the weather was so cold. I think.
Yeah. It's not a bad brand, but you know with batteries you get 3 years warranty.
I think the
But-
warranty expired already because 1 year. It was 1 year. I think.
You only got a year on this one.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
so.
Where's the keys at the moment?
In the
Ignition? I've got to take them out the ignition.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, that's when you do that you can damage it.
okay. Did you tell me? See, you will have no idea about the cars whatsoever. Well, I
Yeah.
know where to put the petrol and when there's ignition, and I know how to change the tire, which is strange. I wouldn't know
Yeah.
anything else. Yeah.
That's good. Changing the tyre is important. I've got a lot of friends that can't change the tyre,
Oh
you know.
yes, my baby.
It's
Doing
come to life.
something.
Yeah. So let's see what happens. Where's the keys?
With me.
You wanna try it?
Yeah, why
Go on.
not?
The oil not being in the right place just now for that start,
What do
but
you mean?
because it's cold,
Oh,
yeah, I think
that's why.
you could probably service it. Maybe your oil is really old. I don't know. You service it a lot, but the oil didn't get to the top quickly enough. Charging, man. My job's done. Now, this battery is really dead. So you could either sit here for about an hour before trying to drive. This is also a manual.
Okay.
Also, so you shouldn't really stall. But if you turn this engine off, the chance of it restarting is
I'm not turning. No, I'm not turning off. I'm going to the workshop right now.
yeah.
I want to change the oil and check everything and
Okay.
drive it for a while.
So before you drive off, then at least sit there for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
Just let the battery warm up and get some juice in it.
Alright.
I don't want it to break down. And,
Okay.
yeah.
That's good. Let me give you a moment.
Back in the petrol station.
You are my savior. You know that, right?
Oh my god.
Women. There's only one thing to say. Women. We are so forgetful and.
Well, you know what you're doing. It's alright.
Hmm?
It's all good. Let's see how dead it was. Let's see how far you made it.
Can you actually see on this device what is the state of my battery?
Yeah, you can.
Like to see if it's nearly to be changed or
It's nothing. This battery is finished.
is it?
Yeah. It's never gonna charge, I don't think.
It's not going to charge.
No, it says it, but it's not showing any voltage, which is weird. I don't think my voltmeter is broken. It's crazy. Not enough volts. It's too dead. This has no volts in it. I don't
So I
know.
have to buy a new battery.
I think you will. Yeah.
Do you change the batteries?
Yeah, I can change that battery for you. Do you live locally?
I live in central London.
Oh. So where are you gonna?
I just keep my car here because my friend lives here.
Okay. Well, you can book. If you leave it here, book it, and I'll do it for you.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you
I have
start
to
it?
go back and take the car back.
Home.
No, here.
Oh.
Here. To this.
I thought you was taking it to the garage.
Hmm?
I thought you were gonna take it to the garage.
Shall I take it to the garage?
Yeah, well.
So I already bought oil and antifreeze, so I'll just
Yeah.
refill it.
Yeah.
Because I have to go back to work, you know, and I do a leaving carer. I'm a leaving carer.
Oh, you just came to play with the car for a bit then?
Yeah, I just wanna. I came a week ago and then the battery was low, but it was night time.
Yeah.
So I couldn't get anyone. Everyone was busy. And suddenly I didn't find your number that time.
Okay.
So.
Alright, starting. I'm late for my next job. I need to shoot off.
Shall I give you 50 again?
No,
How
it's
much did I get this time? As in repeat casino.
alright. Alright, half.